Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry Aspirant. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about the theory of hybridization, that is our part 3rd. Our today's topic is the essential conditions and the silent features of the hybridization. Now let us consider the essential conditions for the hybridization. So the first essential condition for the hybridization is atomic orbital which are participating in the hybridization process should belongs to the same atom. The second essential condition, the atomic orbital taking part in the hybridization must have a small energy difference. Now the third essential condition, only the valence atomic orbital of a same atom undergoes the hybridization process. We know that valence atomic orbitals are nothing but the outermost atomic orbital which generally involve in the bond formation. Now fourth essential condition, the valence atomic orbital of a same atom which are completely filled, half filled or empty can take part in the hybridization. We know that full filled atomic orbital contain the 2 electrons, the half filled atomic orbital contain a single electron, while the empty atomic orbital do not contain any electron. So these are the 4 essential conditions which is important for the hybridization process. Now let us consider the silent features of the hybridization. So the first, only the valence atomic orbital take part in the hybridization and the electron that are present in them do not involve in the hybridization process. Now second, valence atomic orbital which have a small energy difference undergoes the hybridization process. Now third, the number of hybrid orbital formed during the hybridization process is equal to the number of atomic orbital involved during the hybridization. Now fourth, all hybrid orbitals are identical with respect to their shape, energy and the orientation. The shape of hybrid orbitals are different from the shape of your atomic orbital with respect to the size, orientation as well as the energy. So that was the fourth silent feature. Now fifth, all hybrid orbitals are arranged in a space to minimize the inter-electronic repulsion between these hybrid orbitals. As a result, they orient themselves in a space and hence they shows a specific geometry. So that was the fifth important silent features of your hybridization. Next, the excitation of electron does not always takes place during the hybridization. The excitation of electron takes place only when the expected valency and the observed valency is not the equal. Now next, remember the hybrid orbitals are concentrated in a one particular direction, achieve the greater overlapping. So there is a one large lobe and one small lobe representing the overlapping and the non-overlapping region in that atom in the hybrid orbitals. Now next silent feature, the covalent bond formed by the hybrid orbitals are stronger than the covalent bond formed by your atomic orbitals. So these are the important essential conditions and the silent features of the hybridization. Thank you much for watching this video. See you in my next video.